In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autoplay video in Elementor. By the end, you'll have a video that begins playing the moment a visitor lands on your page, using either YouTube, Vimeo, or a file you've uploaded. I'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along even if you're new to Elementor. Start by opening the page you want to edit and click Edit with Elementor. In the Elementor panel on the left, search for the video widget. Drag and drop it right where you want the video to appear, inside a section or column on your layout. With the widget selected, look at the Content tab. Choose the video source that fits your needs. If you're using YouTube or Vimeo, simply paste the video URL into the field provided. If you prefer a self-hosted file, select the self-hosted option and either upload the video or pick it from your media library. MP4 is generally the safest choice for broad browser support. Keep file sizes reasonable so your page loads quickly, especially on mobile. Now let's make it autoplay. With the video widget still selected, stay in the Content tab and open the Video Options panel. Find the autoplay setting and switch it to Yes. That's it. Your video will now start playing automatically when the page loads. A quick note about how browsers handle autoplay. Many modern browsers only allow autoplay when the video is muted. Elementor is designed to accommodate this behavior, so your video will play smoothly without user interaction in most cases. On some mobile devices, autoplay may be restricted further, or it may only work when power-saving modes are turned off. If you're testing and it doesn't start, try viewing the page in an incognito window. Clear any caching plugins, and make sure the video URL is valid and publicly accessible. If you're deciding between YouTube, Vimeo, and a self-hosted file, consider performance and control. YouTube and Vimeo handle compression and streaming for you, which helps with speed and bandwidth. Self-hosted gives you more direct control, but can impact page performance if the file is large. For best results, keep your video short, well compressed, and sized appropriately for web playback. Finally, think about user experience. Autoplay can draw attention effectively, but use it thoughtfully. Ensure your page layout keeps the video visible and that controls are easy to find so visitors can pause or adjust volume if they want. And that's all it takes to autoplay a video in Elementor. Add your video, then turn on autoplay in Video Options. Save your changes, preview the page, and you're done.